In this video, we will look at how you can use filters to find cases relevant to your matter when researching with the LexisNexis analyzers. The judgment list appearing in the lower half of the page can be refined using the various filters displayed on the left-hand side of each analyzer tab. Let's explore some of the filters that can be applied when using the ACCC analyzer. We'll open the Section Contravened filter. Here we have a list of all the sections that have been the subject of litigation in all of the cases represented in the analyzer. They are sorted by the number of times their alleged contravention was litigated. To view judgments in which Section 29 sub 1 sub G of the Australian Consumer Law was litigated, click on the provision and the judgment list will be refined accordingly. You may wish to further refine your list by viewing the most recent cases involving the section of interest. You can do so using the Year filter. By dragging the markers along the timeline, you can narrow the judgments list to, say, those litigated between the years 2015 and the year 2019. To remove a filter, go to the Filters list above the Filters pane and click on the X. And this concludes this video on using the Filters pane to refine the list of judgments displayed.